Throughout the tutorials, we will give you a detailed tour of the types of comprehensive analysis that can be performed using PatentPia's data technology solutions that will enable users to achieve optimal levels of IP resource allocation and maximize the profitability of businesses. The following is Section 6 of our tutorial series, which covers a full range of patent monetization analysis solutions that will enable users to develop strategies and opportunities for additional revenue streams. PatentPia's database enables users to analyze the monetization of patents by identifying the relationship of patents with monetized patents through comprehensive and in-depth analysis of patent portfolio monetization. Monetized patents include, but are not limited to, disputed patents, transacted patents, and NPE-owned patents, and their relationship with monetized patents is defined by cited patents and similar patents. By determining the relationships, users are able to generate targeted marketing and monetization recommendations for each company and the applicable patents each company may be interested in purchasing or licensing. The logic behind this approach is that through these analyses, users may be able to identify key information to strengthen plaintiffs' litigation cases or reinforce defendants' arguments. And companies that have purchased related patents are more likely to purchase other monetized patents. Furthermore, patents related to NPE-owned patents have a higher likelihood of being monetized as they may be litigated or licensed if they are highly related to NPE-owned or purchased patents. The process of identifying patents for monetization involves the analysis of monetization candidates' patent portfolio, identification of the group of similar patents and the group of forward citation patents, and the comprehensive analysis of the relationship between monetization candidate patents and monetized patents. Let's go to Prometheus and analyze the citations by purchased patents. The view code for this analysis is A-TM122A. So go to the Prometheus Excel file and click on the filter next to the view code to locate A-TM122A. Click on the checkbox next to the menu item and then click Go. The data type used in this analysis is the hashtag FC(US data, which is PatentPia's data product with over 100 different types of analysis fields and evaluations for all US patents that have cited input US patents. Once the data loading is complete, click OK and click on the resulting worksheet. The results in the table show the target companies that have purchased patents that have cited the current assignees of the input patents in the same technology field. So let's filter the results to include all forward citation patents by using the FC_rel22 filter and select all items. And go to the row labels filter to see results for patents owned by Microsoft. The results in the table will show the target company, Cisco Technology, for example, has purchased patents that have cited Microsoft's patent number 6166744 in the same technology field, which is 3D modeling in this case, 8 times in 2013 and 3 times in 2014. Users may see results for forward citations by examiners only by adjusting the FC_rel22 filter and selecting only one. And you can see only forward citations by examiners. Results may also be filtered to generate results for SMEs or large corporations by adjusting the FC89 valid patent count by current assignee parameter, as larger corporations have more patents and SMEs have fewer patents. Results may also be filtered for specific countries by adjusting the FC90 current assignee's country parameter and selecting the desired countries. Let's go back to all forward citations. Also, by clicking on the number results in the table, another sheet will be generated with patent data supporting the results. Users may also click on the URL, which will take you to PatentPia's website, where you'll be able to find comprehensive information related to the specific patent, in addition to useful information about the current assignee. Another useful analysis is the identification of patents and technology fields with monetization potential by identifying patents that have often been cited by patents owned by NPEs. The view code for this analysis is A-TM142A. So go to Prometheus and click on the filter next to the view code and locate A-TM142A. Click on the checkbox next to the menu item and then click Go. Once the data loading is complete, click OK and click on the resulting worksheet. The results in the table show the target NPE, let's take Elhua for example, has frequently cited the Microsoft's patent number 8817046 between the specified time period, which was 2010 to 2015. Results for citations by examiners only may be generated by selecting one for the FC_rel22 parameter filter, which has been done by default, and users may also filter results by country and company size, and other factors by utilizing the available filters. Users may also identify patents and technology fields with monetization potential that have often been cited by patents of other companies' litigated patents. The view code for this analysis is A-TM132A. Click on the filter next to the view code and locate A-TM132A. Click on the checkbox next to the menu item and then click Go. The data type used in this analysis is the #FC_US data, which is, again, the same type of data we used in the previous analysis. Once the data loading is complete, click OK and click on the resulting worksheet. The results in the table show the target companies that have frequently cited other current assignees' patents. For example, ColorLink. ColorLink has cited Microsoft's litigated patent number 6166744 related to 3D modeling, and the citations were recorded in 2011, which is within our specified time period of 2010 to 2015. Results for citations by examiners only may be generated by selecting one for the FC_rel22 filter, which has been done by default, and results for NPE-owned litigated patents only may be generated by adding the FC84 parameter field to the pivot table filters area. Another useful analysis is the identification of patents and technology fields with monetization potential by identifying patents that precede and are similar to patents purchased by other companies. The view code for this analysis is A-TM222A. So go to Prometheus and click on the filter next to the view code to locate A-TM222A. Click on the checkbox next to the menu item and then click Go. The data type used in this analysis is the #SP_US data, which is PatentPia's patent data product with over 100 different analysis fields and evaluations, which includes the score and the grade for all US patents that are similar to the input US patents. Once the data loading is complete, click OK and click on the resulting worksheet. The results in the table show the target company and the current assignee have similar patents related to a specific technology field. In this example, the University of California's patent number 5729471 precedes and is similar to 127 of Google's purchase patents related to 3D image rendering between 2010 to 2015. Results for current assignees' patents that precede other companies' patents only may be generated by selecting 1 for the SP_rel7 parameter filter, which has been done by default. Results showing SMEs only or large corporations may be generated by adjusting the SP89 parameter filter, as larger companies have higher valid patent counts and smaller companies have lower valid patent counts. And results may be filtered for specific countries by adjusting the SP90 parameter filter. Users may also identify patents and technology fields with monetization potential that precede and are similar to patents purchased by NPEs. This is useful for businesses as it allows companies to identify potential licensing or other monetization opportunities related to NPEs. The view code for this analysis is A-TM242A. So go to the Prometheus Excel file and click on the filter next to the view code to locate A-TM242A. And select the checkbox next to the menu item and then click Go. The data type used in this analysis is the #SP_US data, which is the same type of data we used in the previous analysis. Once the data loading is complete, click OK and click on the resulting worksheet. The results in the table show the target companies and current assignees that have similar patents related to a specific technology field. In this case, for example, Microsoft's patent number 6166744 precedes and is similar to 4 of Intellectual Ventures' purchase patents between 2010 and 2015. This information is useful because it identifies potential licensing or other monetization opportunities related to the NPE, in this case, which is Intellectual Ventures. Users may also use the various filters to search specific assignees and countries. Another useful relationship that can be analyzed is the identification of patents and technology fields with monetization potential that precede and are similar to patents litigated by other companies. The view code for this analysis is A-TM232A. Click on the checkbox next to the menu item and then click Go. Once the data loading is complete, click OK and click on the resulting worksheet. The results in the table show the target companies and current assignees that have similar patents related to a specific technology field. Users can search a specific current assignee by using the row labels filter. Let's search Microsoft, for example. In this example, Microsoft's patent number 7483958 precedes and is similar to 2 of NXP's litigated patents within the electrical digital data processing field from 2015. For more information, please visit us at about.patentpia.com or www.patentpia.com.